got in this YouTube channel, and I was thinking, now that I already started a YouTube channel, why don't I start streaming also? But then I thought about the different things that I had to do. I would have to choose from a million things: the best camera, the best light, the best PC, and that's just hardware. What software should I use to stream? What settings should I use? How do I control everything? Would I need a green screen? So many questions came to my mind. But then I thought I could just call my friends at Vishal Peripherals and ask them what I should do. And as always, they knew exactly what to do. So I went to Vishal Computech, which is at Chennai Trade Center, to take a visit to their all-new streaming setup PC. When I first saw the PC, I was blown away by its beauty alone. I saw the beautiful loops and the beautiful RGB colors all cased in this beautiful Thermaltake Core P6TG Snow white cabinet. And when I further asked them about the PC, they told me how much more breathtaking the PC actually is. An AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor, an RTX 4080 graphics card, two 16GB Kingston Fury NVMe M.2 SSD, all of which is supported by the MSI AMD X670P Pro motherboard. I mean, you would think it wouldn't get better than this. But beside all these, we had even more stuff on this setup. We had the LOGITECH 502 Hero mouse and cosmicbyte CBGK33 Astra Hot-Swappable mechanical keyboard, a Hyperx Cloud Stinger core wireless headset paired with the LOGITECH BRIO 4K webcam, a Rapoo V600 USB gamepad, and an Elgato Key Light Air and SteamDeck MK.2 to control the whole setup with just a few buttons. But that wasn't the end of it. There was even more surprise, and this time it came in the software side. They have the already integrated softwares, OBS installed and tweaked to just my liking, the lighting setup just where I would want it, the perfect audio settings and setup. All of these complicated things that I didn't want to do and maybe didn't even understand, those things were already done. So I didn't have time to worry anymore. And it can be that way for all of you as well. If you have just started streaming or thinking of starting your career in streaming, Vishal Peripherals have many professionals waiting for you to come and ask away your doubts and to help you get the best out of your budget. Vishal Peripherals has a website where you can get everything that you want for your PC. So visit www.vishalperipherals.in for everything that you need. So I have gotten my setup ready. Why don't you join me and get your setup ready soon too?